It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Sunday, the 5th of September. I'm Michael Groff. Today commemorates our 5-year anniversary of doing these little weather videos for you, and I just want to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for liking and subscribing our videos and following along with us these past 5 years, and hopefully 5 more years to come and beyond. All right, the weather around here mainly hot and dry, at least through the middle part of the week. Monsoon moisture confined to the southeastern portion of the state for widely scattered showers and thunderstorms down there. When might the rain chances return for us? We'll talk about that now as we get to it here. Looking at the almanac from yesterday, 105 degrees the afternoon high, 81 was the morning low. Pretty much right on point for where we ought to be for this time of year. Looking out there now at 7:50 a.m., we have got clear sky across the valley, 84 degrees at Sky Harbor. Still kind of muggy out there. Dew point at 64, relative humidity 52%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. The upper air look shows high pressure is the dominant feature across the region. A mainly dry north to northwesterly flow is in place today, but there still could be some isolated showers and storms across the eastern third of the state this afternoon and this evening. The watch warning map, we've got excessive heat warnings in effect to the northwest of us across the Mojave Desert. Here in Maricopa County, an air quality alert is in effect. Convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather across the country. And in the tropics, we've got a little wave down there about to move into the Bay of Campeche, and that may develop over the next couple of days, but that should not impact the United States. And then we've got major Hurricane Larry out there. Top winds 120 miles per hour, and that is moving to the northwest. A gradual turn toward the north is expected. That should stay east of Bermuda, not impacting anyone, and then it will move harmlessly into the North Atlantic and diminish. The precipitation outlook, this is valid through next Sunday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix, very light, generally under 1/10 of an inch. Scattered pockets where you could see more than that across the state, but rain opportunities relatively few and far between, maybe picking up a little bit later in the week. We'll talk about what's going on with this weather pattern in more detail as we get to modeling. Here we go. This is the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. High pressure sitting to the west of us. The flow aloft will gradually switch out of the north and northeast with time. So down at the surface, sunny sky today, highs 102 to 106 in Phoenix. Widely scattered showers and thunderstorms across east central and southeast Arizona. There is a small chance we could see some gusty winds getting into northern Pinal County and maybe even trying to push up into the far eastern part of the metro area later this evening, but I would say that's a very outside chance. No probability of rain for us, though. Maybe some gusty winds and a little blowing dust just on the outskirts of the valley, perhaps, and that's it. And then tonight we are mostly clear, overnight lows mainly in the 70s to around 80, and then tomorrow, sunny, high temperatures 100 to 104. As we go to Tuesday, high pressure will build to the north of us and an easterly flow develops, and normally that would bring in some deeper moisture, but the source region for that, the Plain State's pretty dry, so not much of an increase in moisture at all. Only isolated showers and storms over the higher terrain of southeast Arizona. High temperatures for us, around 101 to 105. 102 to 106 on Wednesday with that ridge continuing to sit across Utah. On Thursday, we'll begin to see the pattern de-amplifying here as our ridge starts to flatten out and gets pushed to the south and east. The flow aloft switches more out of the southeast here for a small increase in moisture and the number of showers and storms across the state. Even an outside chance we could catch a storm here in the lower deserts on Thursday evening. High temperatures falling off a degree or two, but still around 100 to 104. And models do hint at a tropical disturbance forming down there around the southern tip of Baja. And there is a small chance that could impact our weather later on in the week or next weekend, but we're not going to hang our hats on that for now. So Friday, more of the same here, really. High temperatures, upper 90s to around 103, a small chance of a shower or storm. And next Saturday, the ridge still flattening out across New Mexico, a southerly to southeasterly flow. A little bit of moisture around for isolated showers and storms, but they should probably stay to the south and east of Greater Phoenix. Here's a week from today. This is Sunday, the 12th of September, an elongated ridge here over the southern tier of the United States, and just a little bit of moisture circulating around that for some isolated storms over the higher terrain, but we look to stay dry if that's correct. And as we go out 10 days, this is Tuesday, the 14th, and that still looks dry. In fact, now we've got ridging setting up to the west of us, more of a northwesterly flow developing with a very prominent upper low there, a deep trough. just north of the Great Lakes, a taste of fall for the northern plain states. So the weather pattern beginning to change and setting up to be more like a early fall pattern here, and that would mean the end of the monsoon potentially. Of course, this is 10 days out and could change. Taking a look at the European at the same time, well, it's got a weak little wave passing on by, but the consequence for our weather would be fairly similar. A dry northwesterly flow, no real opportunities for precipitation around here. Speaking of rainfall, let's check it out off of the European ensemble here in Phoenix over the next couple of weeks. And this does not look very optimistic. You've got a number of members that show nothing at all. The ensemble mean around 1/4 of an inch, but slightly biased by a rather outlying member there over 2 inches. And then temperatures off the national blend of models, a little bit above average for the week ahead, and then trending closer to normal as we get further out into the forecast period. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, suggestions, they're always encouraged as well. And once again, thank you so much for watching and for your 5 years of support. It's been greatly appreciated. You guys be safe, stay cool, stay hydrated out there, watch your kids around the swimming pool. Have yourselves a great Sunday. We'll see you tomorrow.